Let's take a look inside the shop as we continue to work on the MT center gauge and doweling jig. A bunch of our CNC mills are running different parts for the tool. Here, the operator is loading out the aluminum blanks to mill the body of the tool. Next, those parts are inspected and assembled to ensure a perfect fit and proper functionality. Meanwhile, the doweling jig attachment is machined at another CNC mill. And at a third CNC mill, the centering bars are machined out of stainless steel. After all that milling, the aluminum parts that make up the body of the tool are anodized with our signature woodpecker's red and laser engraved with graphics. Finally, all the completed components of the MT center gauge and doweling jig come together in the assembly department, where they are put together and packaged. If you place an order for the MT center gauge and doweling jig, look for it soon. And stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.